Subject English. Standard 8. Activity fill in the blanks. First, Kajal Ben. A girl saw a one-dead bird. Second, Sachin Kumar gave treatment to the bird. They is correct answer. Aarti Ben. She took care of the bird. Right, the bird. Fourth, Ashish. After some days, she set the bird free. 5 number. She went home and showed the birds to her mother. Right. 6 number. The bird flew away in the sky.